Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and it's the closest one to the Sun. Here are some important facts about Mercury. Size and distance. Mercury has a diameter of about 4,879 kilometers, 3,032 miles, and it orbits the Sun at a distance of around 57.9 million kilometers, 35.98 million miles. Orbit and rotation. Mercury follows an elliptical orbit around the Sun and it takes about 88 Earth days to complete one orbit. Surprisingly, it takes around 58.6 Earth days for Mercury to complete one rotation on its axis, so its day is longer than its year. Surface and geology. Mercury's surface is covered in craters, similar to the Moon. It has plains, cliffs called scarps, and large impact craters like the Caloris Basin. Atmosphere. Mercury has an extremely thin atmosphere called an exosphere. It contains atoms and trace amounts of gases like helium, hydrogen, oxygen, sodium, calcium, and potassium. However, due to its low gravity, these gases quickly escape into space. Extreme temperatures. Because of its proximity to the Sun, Mercury experiences extreme temperatures. During the day, temperatures can reach up to about 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit, while at night, they can drop to around minus 180 degrees Celsius, minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Moons. Mercury doesn't have any moons or natural satellites. Exploration. NASA's Mariner 10 mission in 1973 was the first to fly by Mercury and gather data. The mission, launched in 2018 by the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, consists of two orbiters that will arrive at Mercury in 2025 to study the planet in detail. These are the basic details about the planet Mercury. It's an interesting world with its small size, extreme temperatures, and unique surface features. Geographical features. In addition to its heavily cratered surface, Mercury has various other geographical features. It has extensive plains known as intercrater plains that lie between craters. These plains are believed to be volcanic in origin, resulting from ancient volcanic activity. Mercury also has long scarps or cliffs, some of which can be hundreds of kilometers in length. These scarps are thought to have formed as the planet's interior cooled and contracted, causing the crust to buckle and fracture. Magnetic field. Despite its small size, Mercury has a magnetic field, albeit much weaker than Earth's. The planet's magnetic field is believed to be generated by its partially molten iron core. The interaction between the magnetic field and the solar wind creates a magnetosphere around the planet. Lack of atmosphere. Mercury's thin exosphere does not qualify as a proper atmosphere as it lacks the characteristics of gases in a stable atmosphere. Due to its weak gravity and proximity to the Sun, Mercury cannot retain an atmosphere like Earth. The exosphere consists of atoms and molecules that have been ejected from the planet's surface by solar radiation and impacts. Solar-wind interaction. Mercury's close proximity to the Sun exposes it to intense solar radiation and the solar wind, which is a stream of charged particles flowing from the Sun. The solar wind interacts with Mercury's magnetic field and exosphere, creating a tail-like structure called a magnetotail that extends away from the Sun. Water ice. Surprisingly, despite its proximity to the Sun, some regions of Mercury's poles are believed to contain water ice. These areas are in permanently shadowed regions of craters near the poles, where temperatures are extremely cold. The presence of water ice on Mercury has been confirmed by data from NASA's Messenger mission. Mercury's orbit. Mercury's orbit is unique among the planets in our solar system. It is characterized by a phenomenon known as orbital resonance with the Sun. Due to the gravitational influence of the Sun, Mercury's orbit precesses, meaning its closest approach to the Sun slowly shifts over time, creating a small but measurable change in its orbit. Mercury's name. Mercury is named after the Roman god Mercury, who was the messenger to the gods in Roman mythology. The planet's name is associated with the speed at which it appears to move across the sky. These are the basic details about the planet Mercury. It's an interesting world with its small size, extreme temperatures, and unique surface features.